Yes, you can delete thousands of emails, just like in Gmail, which I covered in a separate tutorial. In my Yahoo Mail account, I'm using a desktop browser. Log into your Yahoo account at mail.yahoo.com, and once you're signed in successfully, you're good to go. To delete all emails at once, click the checkbox at the top of the email list. Right now, it selects only the loaded emails. To select everything, click on Select All Messages in Inbox. Click the Delete option to remove all emails at once. That's the first straightforward method. To delete only unread or read emails, click the down arrow next to the Select All checkbox. Apply filters like read or unread. Unread emails are usually not important, so I'm selecting that option. Now select all unread emails at once. Click the Delete option to remove those emails from your inbox. Wait a few seconds to a minute. To permanently delete them from your account, go to the trash folder on the left side. Select all emails there and delete them from your account. That's it. To delete emails with large attachments and manage storage, check out my separate tutorial linked in the video description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Please like to support the channel and subscribe for more updates.